everyone, welcome back to Literature with Sasha, where we dive deep into the world of literature, one fascinating topic at a time. Today, we are stepping back into the world of Elizabethan era, exploring the drama that changed the landscape of English literature forever. From Shakespeare's Aeneid tragedies to the Marlowe's exploration of ambition and Jonathan's sharp style, this period has so much to offer. So grab your favorite cup of tea and let's jump into the magic of Elizabethan drama together. The Elizabethan era, named after Queen Elizabeth I, was defining period of English literature, particularly for the dramatic arts. Spanning the late 16th century, Elizabethan drama revolutionized the way people viewed their theatre, making it more accessible, entertaining, and intellectually profound. This era produced some of the greatest playwrights in history, such as William Shakespeare, Christopher Marlowe, and Ben Jonson, whose works have shaped the course of literature and drama of the centuries. Introduction. The Elizabethan period was a time of great political stability, intellectual flourishing, and cultural development, especially in the world of drama. During this period, theatre became an important form of popular entertainment, and it was also used to explore serious themes like love, revenge, power, and human nature. Plays were staged in public theatres, most notably the Globe Theatre, and attracted a diverse audience from all walks of life. The rise of Elizabethan drama marked a shift from medieval morality plays and mystery cycle to complex and sophisticated storytelling. This dramatic tradition set the foundation for modern Western theatre, influencing generations of playwrights and becoming a significant part of world's cultural heritage. Elizabethan period in context. To fully understand Elizabethan drama, it is crucial to understand the historical and cultural context of the time. Historical background of the Elizabethan era. Queen Elizabeth I, England from 1558 until her death in 1603. Her reign was a time of relative peace after the turbulent years of her procedures marked by wars, religious conflicts, and economic instability. Her leadership brought about the Elizabethan Golden Age, a time of political stability, flourishing art, and expansions of English influence worldwide. The era was characterized by the rise of the middle class, a growing literacy rate, and an increasingly vibrant urban culture. London, the heart of Elizabethan drama, becoming a bustling city with many playhouses and theatres, creating new audience for dramatic performances, social, culture, and political influences. The Elizabethan period was shaped by the flourishing of humanism and a deep interest in classical literature. The Renaissance, which began in Italy, spread across Europe and influenced English writers and artists. This intellectual movement emphasized the value of individualism, the exploration of human nature, and a revived interest in classical text. From ancient Greece and Rome, many Elizabethan playwrights include Shakespeare drew upon classical themes and structures, making their work both contemporary and timeless. In addition, Elizabethan drama was deeply influenced by the political and religious landscape of the time. The Protestant Reformation had brought religious change, and there was a strong emphasis on the monarchy authority. These dynamics are often reflected in the themes of Elizabethan plays, which frequently examined issues of power, authority, and morality. Characteristics of Elizabethan drama. Several defining characteristics set Elizabethan drama apart from earlier forms of theatre and help it evolve into a more dynamic and sophisticated art form. Structure of Elizabethan plays. Most Elizabethan plays follow structure format typically divided into 5 acts, much like the classical Greek and Roman plays. The plays also often contained a blend of tragic and comic elements, creating a more balanced experience for the audience. The use of verse in Elizabethan drama was another key feature. Playwrights often wrote in iambic pentameter, a rhythm pattern of 5 pairs of unstressed and stressed syllables. This gave the plays a musical quality and allowed the playwrights to evaluate the language to express more complex emotions and ideas. Themes explored in drama. Elizabethan plays frequently dealt with universal themes such as power and ambition. Many plays, particularly tragedies, explored corrupting nature of power and the dangerous consequences of unchecked ambition. In Shakespeare's Macbeth, for example, ambition leads to murder and madness. Number 2. Love and relationships. Romantic love, with all its joy and pain, is central to many works such as Romeo and Juliet. The complexities of love and the challenges it faced were examined in both idealistic and tragic way. Number 3. Revenge and justice. The third for revenge is a major motive in several Elizabethan tragedies. In Hamlet, Shakespeare explored the moral ambiguity of revenge, questioning whether justice can ever truly be achieved through revenge. Number 4. The supernatural. Ghost, witches, and the supernatural elements often appears in Elizabethan drama. The supernatural in plays like Macbeth and Hamlet act as both a important device and a way to explore themes like fate, guilty, and the unknown. Use of language and dialogue. The language used in Elizabethan drama was rich and expressive, with frequent use of metaphors, symbols, and wordplay. Famous of their complex and layered dialogue, Elizabethan playwrights use language to convey emotions, develop characters, and advance the plot. In many ways, complex use of language became as important as the storyline itself, adding depth to the performance and making the words themselves memorable. Key figures in Elizabethan drama. While many playwrights contributed to the development of Elizabethan drama, some figures stand out as particularly influential. William Shakespeare, the master playwright, undoubtedly the most famous of all Elizabethan playwrights. William Shakespeare is often regarded as the greatest writer in the English language. His work, including the Hamlet, Macbeth, Othello, and Romeo and Juliet, have shaped the literary canon for centuries. Shakespeare's profound understanding of human nature and his ability to create timeless, multi-dimensional characters set him apart from his contemporaries. His plays are noted for their psychological depth, tragic flaw, and universal themes, making them relevant even to modern audiences. Shakespeare's impact on the development of English drama cannot be exaggerated, as his inventions in characterization, structure, and language continue to influence playwrights this day. Christopher Marlowe, the tragic genius, another towering figure in Elizabethan drama, was Christopher Marlowe, known for his tragic plays that dwells into themes of ambition, pride, and the human desire for power. His work, Dr. Faustus, remains one of the most important plays of the period, exploring the consequences of a man pact with the devil in exchange for infinite knowledge. Marlowe's writing style was marked by its dramatic intensity and the heroic blank verse he developed, which was later used by Shakespeare. His influence on Elizabethan theatre was profound, and his works helped lay the groundwork for later playwrights including Shakespeare. Ben Jonson, the star and the poet. Ben Jonson was a leading figure in Elizabethan comedy and satire. His plays, including The Alchemist, are sharp critics of human greed, corruption, and social presentation. Jonson's use of satire and wit was revolutionary at the time, offering biting social commentary while entertaining the audience. Jonson was also a prominent poet and a key figure in the comedy of humor genre, which explored the uncensories of individuals' characters. His influence extended well beyond his own time, shaping the development of Restoration comedy and statistical writing. The theatre of the Elizabethan era. The theatre itself played a central role in the development of Elizabethan drama. During this time, the construction of large public theatres became common, and they became venues where people from all social classes could gather to watch performances. The Global Theatre. Perhaps the most famous of these venues was the Globe Theatre. Associated with Shakespeare and the Lord Chamberlain Manse, the Globe was an open-air theatre which allowed for large crowds to gather and experience performances under the sky. This design was central to the vibrant and attractive nature of Elizabethan theatre, as actors would perform in close nearness to the audience, engaging them directly in the performance. Audience and theatre experiences. Theatres during the Elizabethan era attracted a diverse audience, from the wealthy elite private boxes to the commoners standing in the pit. The wide range of spectators led to an interesting dynamics, as playwrights aimed to appeal to both educated aristocratic viewers and working class audiences. The influence of Elizabethan drama can still be seen in the modern theatre. The complex characterization, use of dramatic tension, and exploration of universal themes laid the foundation for modern storytelling techniques. Writers like Henrik Ibsen Anton Chekhov, and Tennessee Williams drew inspiration from the work of Elizabethan playwrights, and Shakespeare's plays continue to be performed around the world. Moreover, the public theatre and the tradition of the combining entertainment with social commentary began in this period and remains a crucial element of the theatre today. Conclusion: Elizabethan drama remains one of the most important periods in the history of English literature. The works produced during this era continue to inspire and influence playwrights, actors, and audience around the world. Through their rich language, complex characters, and exploration of timeless themes, playwrights like Shakespeare, Marlowe, and Jonathan forever changed the landscape of drama and ensured that Elizabethan drama would have a lasting legacy in literature. That's it for today's deep dive into Elizabethan drama here on Literature with Sasha. I hope you enjoyed this exploration of some of the greatest works in English literature. If you love this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our literary journey. Drop your thoughts in the comments. What's your favorite Elizabethan play? Until next time, keep reading, keep reflecting, and stay curious. See you in the next video.